Kakunhuan na North Goa Zilla Panchayat na Zilla Goa nongïalam Chief Executive Officer Ajay Kaude akan no paisi khatwai trek na itong Atiar fly kilawan wan twad jengmut ban pengklan yigur kom synshar khadar na Khasils Autonomous District Council. La priang burami ni kunhun do Chief Executive Member Council uba peniat sing CM ki Executive Member ki Officer Council nalor ki weipan. Keladan ke nongïalam emir jengmut apring Council bakane kunhun na Goa Kapala syang keleng ki jela ban yolomi ki buit ban pengklan yigur kom synshar khadar hak panchayat jungki.
Last 2 days we are in Meghalaya. We have gone around. There is a lot to learn. We learn from each other. We could see a lot of things in terms of tourism, how it is being done. In areas, we went to hilly areas. We saw how the population is, or the people are living around, how they maintain. Those things we are taking back. We learned a lot also from the discussions. We have our own Panchayat Raj Act under which we Zilla Panchayats and Gram Panchayats are governed. Yes, Meghalaya has its own constitution and it has own understanding of implementation of that constitutional provisions. Although we have little different, but yes, we are taking some learnings as such. See how 85% is a tribal population. 6 schedule there are some tribal notified areas. So there are in Goa also there are tribal population of 12% is a tribal population. So some learnings what you all are doing here can be always implemented in the state of Goa. As far as Zilla functioning is concerned, Goa and Meghalaya, two diverse states. We are known for this sea, sand, and our culture is different. You are known for its all beautiful forest areas, the beautiful waterfall, and the traditions which you all have. The similarities in terms of functioning are little different. They are not same. The way we function as a Zilla Panchayat in Goa are different than how you all function as a district council in. It's totally different. There are not much similarities in terms of execution of work. Here it's more of kind of the powers are lying with the council itself. But in our case in Zilla Panchayat we have I am the CEO from the state administration who is the executive officer who is being nominated or deputed at the Zilla Panchayat. Here it's a different system. So there are differences. Basically, when we take up the study tour, as last year we visited state of Rajasthan to understand their state and understanding. See, what we look at is how you all manage the waste management. We look at how you look at the processing of that, how you take up the infrastructure projects, what are the areas you touch upon, what are the ways you do it, what are the innovative practices that has been taken up in those states to improve the system and then we go back, we review all those learnings from here, and then we come up with some kind of suggestions, if any, to the state. So surely we'll compile. We are there till 16th. We are there for next 4 days also in Meghalaya. Then 2 days we are in Guwahati. So we'll have a learnings from all these states, both the states and all the areas, and then we'll come up with some kind of suggestions, if any.
Annually, we take out a study tour to any of the states in India with all our Zilla Panchayat members, and our intention is to study the local governance model in that state or in that district. So with that motive, we go to other states with our members and we visit all the autonomous institutions, Zilla Panchayats, village panchayats, all these elected bodies, and we try to understand the mode of working, mode of governance which they follow, and with this discussion, with all the thought exchange, I feel that we are able to improve our governance with taking new ideas from other states, and we can tell our government, we can suggest our government what improvements we can do to develop our district and our constituencies. So this study visits help us to do that. So that is our intention. We had a very good discussion with Honorable CM, Deputy CM, Chairman and other members. Very senior members were there. Very good experience talking to them. the way they handle the councils and the hills is very excellent. The mode of governance, the way they govern the hills is very interesting, and I feel some points which we discussed, we can definitely suggest our government to implement it in our state.
Ni sokumen ban ya kendu ya kawe ka kenhuan kabawan ban tip benya shapang ka riti ke dustur khasi jungi khamtam balawan bani kendu ini hangni po office jongka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council minta kesengi te nyedan lang nakaliang ka executive committee nadu i deputy CM ki EM ki chairman nyedan lang ban pediang subhai kini ki kenhuan kani ka kenhuan kade ka bawan na po Goa kade bawan na ka North District Shillong Zilla Panchayat Council hapo ka jingilam jong chairman hapo ka jingwan lang jong i CEO Chief Executive Officer but kini ki member te kiwan banyak kendu ingi bat ki pentip kerki menen hi baki lapoi sini sepo Shillong kikwa ban tip kam benya habidib ka rukom penyak kam gejungi hapo council but habidib kriti dustur ki kita ki bor neni kita ki powers and function kiba ka district council gejungi ka pej ka lumthup lane ka kudup ka pej namta ka synshar khadar ka pej namta ka it ka hima ka pej namta ka kiba pun bhaki benta ka ba haka haka nika kam jongka KHADC te nakaliang jungki ki penpau ya ka jingkemen hadin bangi la yo ban ya kendu bat ki bat ni yo ya ka interaction discussion ka bolong sultanat ka ba seso ngiru ngitip khambha shapang ka synshar khadar hangthe lingba kini ki zila panchayat council bat kiru kitip khambha shapang jungi ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ke ka bor bangi yo kum ka district council hapo ka khnit ka bahnrio jong ka constitution jong ka di India te kani ka jing kendu bun ki bangi la ya kren se ki compare se ki bangi ni dan hang ni bat ka baki ki dan hang thi bat nakaliang juki ki penpau jing kemen ba ki yo ban kendu ini ban tip khambha ban tip kham jeliu shushu habide kariti ke dustur ke jungi hang ni po rikhasi